Hello everybody and welcome back to another studio vlog. I know it has been a while. I hope you guys all had a great Christmas and are having an okay start to your new year. I'm starting off this new video with a new camera that I am unfortunately struggling to operate. I will get there, I promise. It's just gonna take some fiddling. There are a lot of upcoming clips that might be a little bit out of focus, might be a little bit overexposed, but bear with me, I'm doing my best. I have so much fun stuff to show you guys in this video and in future videos, so I really hope you enjoy it. I start off this video working on some art. I was so art blocked after Christmas break. I feel like I just crashed and burned a little bit. And so I decided to work on Paloma the Peach's Draw This in Your Style, which was super therapeutic and fun to kind of help me get out of that art block. I really find Draw This in Your Style challenges super helpful when it comes to getting out of art block. So I did that. I felt so rusty, but I actually finished it. So I'll show you guys a little bit later what it looks like all done up. And yeah, let's get into the video. Hi everybody and welcome back to another studio vlog. It has been about a million years since I posted my last video. I think I posted it sometime in December, before Christmas anyway, and it's now the new year. My hair is different. I have a new camera. This is actually my boyfriend Will's camera. He's lending it to me. I still don't know how to use it, so I apologize for the shakiness, and I've actually filmed this like 4 times, but every time it was out of focus, so I'm still trying to figure out how to make it work for me, but I'll get there. So a lot has happened since I've seen you guys last, and I can't wait to fill you guys in on all of that stuff, as well as show you guys all the cool new stuff I have been working on. So yeah, let's get into the video! Sorry guys, I know that this is way too close and I know that the camera is shaky. I looked back at the footage from before. I know it's bad. I need to fix it, but today is actually a somewhat bright day, so I want to just film for a moment. It's so bad. I apologize. I will get better at this, I promise. I wanted to touch base with you guys really quick and let you know kind of some of the things that are going on. January flew by. I did not do any filming for YouTube during January. The only filming I did was for my patrons. So I put a bunch of fun content over there. I did a day in the life video, which was super fun. Anyway, if you want to see that, that's all on my Patreon. But it is February now, and some big changes are about to be happening. I am currently in the process of completely rebranding and launching my website on Shopify. I'm so excited, but also terrified. And I'm going to show you guys some of the changes that I've made so far to my branding. That's one thing that I've been working on. I'm also planning on doing a big shop update on Valentine's Day. Not for Valentine's Day, it's like loosely heart themed, but it's gonna be on Valentine's Day. So I'll show you guys some of that. And then also, what else do I have to catch you guys up on? Oh, I added 2 new tiers to my Patreon as well, which is really exciting. I had some people request a sticker tier and a print tier on my Patreon. So I added that. There's 2 new tiers. There is the Charming Cherries, which is a sticker tier. I'll show you guys right here what that looks like. But there's the Charming Cherries, so you will just get the vinyl die cut sticker in the mail. And then there is the lovely lemon tier. That's what this looks like. And that is the print tier, so you'll just get the print in the mail. So yeah, super exciting if you guys want to check that out. Both these tiers also have access to all the previous tier stuff, so they get all the behind the scenes from the Peach Bum tier, and they get all of the digital rewards, the videos and the coloring pages and the wallpapers and stuff like that in the Sweet Strawberries tier as well. So that was a lot of talking. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys some of my new branding. So I've been meaning to redesign my packing tape and outsource some thank you cards for so long, and I thought that with the relaunch of my shop on Shopify, this was the perfect time to finally do these things. So with the help of my patrons, I decided to design a new packing tape and some thank you cards. So first up, I'm going to show you guys the thank you cards that I got from Vistaprint. I decided to go with their business card size, but their square version, because I knew I wanted to kind of do like a little collectible type, almost like a really tiny mini print. So I decided to go with this little bunny. I feel like the fairy bunnies have kind of become a part of my branding. I feel like they really kind of represent my business, and I wanted to start off with one of the fairy buns. So that's what I decided to go with. I think they turned out super cute. Let me know what you guys think of them. And then I also designed a packing tape. So I ran out of packing tape during my last shop update, I believe. And I knew I needed to do a rebrand because my design is the design that I used when I first opened my store. So it's been a while and I needed a new packing tape for sure. I actually had narrowed it down to 2 designs that I shared with my patrons, and they helped me decide on this one. And I'm so freaking happy with it. I think it's so cute. I really love how it has a bunch of characters that I've drawn. It has all of the fairy buns, as well as the little ducks with flower hats. And it uses just a bunch of my go-to colors that I use in like all of my art pieces. So it just feels very on brand. I just love them so much. Okay, so now that I showed you guys all of the branding and everything, I'm going to take a super speedy moment to show you a little sneak peek of one of the products that will be coming to my new shop update. This is one of the new sticker sheets. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm super excited. I hope you guys love it too. I have a bunch of other products coming as well, and I will be showing them to you in the next video. So I'll see you then.